Parang increase si Bitcoin ng 1%. Times 100, 100% yung kita ko. Doble. In few minutes. We're using this platform called Bitmex. Meron silang features ang tawag margin trading. Means pwede ka umutang sa platform kahit wala kang ganung kalaking kapital. Meron doon ang tawag sa kanya cross margin. When you say cross margin, buong capital mo nakataya. Let's say ang punan ko na pinasok is 100,000. Ang ginamit ko, 10% lang. Gusto ko i-trade. So that's 10,000. Pag ang ginamit ko ay cross margin, yung ibig sabihin nun, 100 times leverage. Parang increase si Bitcoin ng 1%. Times 100, 100% yung kita ko, doble, in few minutes. So kung may 10,000 ako, tinaya ko, nag 100%, may 20,000 ako. Pero kung mali ka at nag-negative 1% si Bitcoin, ubus din 10,000. Kapag naka-open yung trades mo, kung nag-negative 2%, negative 200%. Kung nag-negative 3%, negative 300%.
Di ba, initially, parang inalaw mo lang na magkaroon ka ng loss for that 10,000. So you have remaining 90,000 na hindi mo pwedeng galawin. Pero pag nag-negative 3% si Bitcoin,
at 100 yung leverage mo, this cross,
you would lose
300% of your full capital.
Out of the 100,000.
Yes. Pero again, for you guys, I wouldn't recommend na gawin yun. It's too risky. Second, it's not really recommended na gumamit ka ng ganong kataas na leverage, especially kung first time ka. Times 2 lang muna. Times 3 if you want to do leverage margin trading.
So you invested 10,000 lang and then Bitcoin dropped by 3%. So, saan nila kukunin yung remaining 20?
Okay, let's say you have 100,000. You use 10,000. Yung 10,000 yun, ang ginamit mo, cross or 100 times leverage. So, ibig sabihin yung every 10,000, that's equivalent to 100%.
Ayun, yun yung kanina.
Kukunin niya doon sa hindi mo tinayang capital, sa natitirang 90%.
So,
hanggang sa maubos yun.
Halimbawa, capital mo lang, total capital na tinayang mo is 10,000.
Okay, use 10% lang. Don't use everything.
Hindi mo pwede. So, parang may protection din sa Bitcoin.
Ang tawag doon, risk management. Part of risk management, we don't recommend you use all your capital every time mag-execute ka ng trade. Okay? 10% lang or maximum 20%.
So, kumbaga yung remaining 90% of your total capital will be parang stagnant lang, waiting for the 10%.
If ever something happen, nalugi ka on your first trade, then kuha ka ulit doon.
Okay, how do you realize your gain? Say, kumita ka na, nag-increase na siya ng 10%, so you have 20,000. Paano mo makukuha yun in case ayaw mo nang mag-ano?
Okay. There are platforms, kagaya nung sabi ko kanina, like Coins.ph and Abra. Ilipat ko lang doon Bitcoin ko, convert to peso, lipat ko sa bank account ko, have the cash. It's so simple, it's easy. All you need to do is to download the wallet, KYC, then your details, then you can transfer your Bitcoin, convert to peso, pera na.